Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Hana Rohadatul Aisi from Management Class C. Here I will do a script presentation. The first, I will explain what a script presentation is. Manuscript presentation. Manuscript presentation is a type of presentation where in camping the information. A speaker does so by reading the script. Not a few people inside convey information using a text in the form of a text. Every word that comes out is the result of a script. The speaker forgets his main task, which is make eye contact with the listeners. So, it can be said that the speaker is not deliver a speech, but read the speech script. Advantage of script presentation. First, submission is carried out sequentially or systematically. Second, the words that come out are expressed properly and correctly. The next, there are no errors in the delivery. Besides that, there are also weaknesses in the presentation of the manuscript. Namely, first, the listener will feel bored in listening to it. Next, for listeners who are not motivated to listen. Next, not interesting in conveying the information. And last, too busy reading the script so as not to make eye contact with listeners, seem indifferent to listeners. So, for the next time, I will practice the presentation of the script. Here, I will present about the service business with the help of a PowerPoint screen. Service business. Understanding service business. Understanding the service business is a field of business that sells and offers service as its products. Service can be in the form of selling abilities, knowledge, or expertise in a particular field. Starting a service business requires less capital. Nevertheless, this business still has promising prospects, especially in terms of income. Then, there are the characteristics of the service business. First, not selling in and providing product in physical form. Service business usually sell product that cannot be stored and cannot be seen, but the benefit and value can be felt. The next, the main activity is selling service. In accordance with the notion of a service business where these companies sell products in the form of service that are useful and needed by customers. Next, there is a standard price for service. The service market does not have a standard price for a service product. This is due to the types of service offered and different needs. Moreover, each service provider also has a different level of expertise that affects the price he charges. Next, does not have a basic price. The service business does not help physical products. So this business does not require tangible raw materials for production. This means that there is not profit margin benchmark based on the cost of goods for certain service business. Service business opportunity. Several other reasons that can explain why this business is a business with promising profit opportunities, including first, the service business does not require large capital. As mentioned early, earlier, service business require relative smaller capital. Depending on what service business you choose, this make the profit margin bigger. Next, you don't have to worry about distribution. When you choose to do business in the service sector, you don't need to be confused about how to distribute your product to reach customers. The only thing you need to pay attention to is the quality of your work so that customers get the best for the price they pay. Next, no need to be confused about the stock of goods. Service business are more concerned with the skills and service you can provide. So, you don't have to think about stock item. You only need to provide capital at the start of your business and prepare a good business development strategy. Next, there is no deposition of capital. Capital deposition is a fairly large cost that must be prepared in a business in the field of physical products. This capital that must be deposited is needed because products that have not been sold must always be available for the continuity of the business. In the service business, because there are no physical products for sale, you don't need to deposit capital. Example of profitable service business and opening a service business. There are several examples of service business here, namely translation service, article writing service, deposit service, laundry, photographer, tailor service business. And open a business. To start a service business, there are several steps to get started, including decide what business you want to turn. Next, determine the best price for your service, and then make good use of social media and provide the best service and respond to customer complaints. So many presentation for me. I hope that what I say can be understood by friend. If there are mistakes, I beg for forgiveness. Thank you for everything. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.